Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper background on your Xiaomi phone. So if you want to go and change this picture around, just swipe down from the top right, go to settings. Now under here, let's go to wallpaper and personalization, and we can change the picture around just for this. But we got the lock style here too. We can go through here. So that will be the lock screen. You can customize that too if you want to go to customize and then apply in the top right. And then we got the icons. We can change the icon colors. We got the font. We can change the font and the font size right here. We can make it bigger or smaller. And then we can go back. We can change the picture. So if we go to more, we can go to more there. System wallpapers or find more. Now you can do this quickly through themes as well. So there's already pre-made themes that you can pick that are in this Xiaomi store. You can go to the free ones, but some of them are paid, so just a heads up. So just look through this and you can change the background really easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.